This is how. Break the terms down into their components. The word megabyte consists of two different words, mega and byte. Mega is a multiplier prefix found at the start of measurement words, which means 1,000,000 or 1,000,000 times. 1 byte is equal normally to 8 bits. A bit is equal to one switch, on or off, either a 1 or 0. It takes between 1 and 3 bytes to hold a letter, depending on what kind of character encoding you are using. So a megabyte is equal to 8,000,000 bits, or roughly equivalent to 500,000 letters of the alphabet. This is about the length of a short novel. The prefix giga means 1 billion or 1 billion times. So how many bits in a gigabyte? That's right, 8 billion, enough to store 1,000 novels. Once you learn the prefixes and basic units of measure, it's all very easy. Kilo equals 1,000, mega equals 1,000,000, giga equals 1 billion, tera equals 1 trillion, peta equals 1 quadrillion, exa equals 1 quintillion. There are bigger units of measurement than an exabyte, such as a zettabyte and a yottabyte, but we will not discuss them in this course at this time. But your children and grandchildren will have to know them. How big is an exabyte? For instance, every word ever spoken by every member of mankind would fill about 5 exabytes of storage space. The internet transfers around 21 exabytes of data every month. Now those are big number multipliers. In IT, however, things are not always big. They can also be very small. Unfortunately, the small multipliers are often used erroneously. For example, the words microprocessor and nanotechnology use mathematical prefixes, but not accurately. What they really mean in general is really damn small. Milli equals 1,000th. Micro equals 1,000,000th. Nano equals 1 trillionth. Pico equals 1 quadrillionth. Now we know the prefixes. It's time to learn the units. We have already discussed byte and bit. These are common measurements in computing. Although computers are much faster now than they were in 1940, around the time they were invented, they are still digital, meaning that they can only understand zeros and ones. You can put all the prefixes you learned, especially the big ones, onto any of the following units of measurement related to IT. Bit, byte, BPS, hertz, flops, IPS. What can you do with these measurements? Almost everything. Compute bandwidth, measure processor speed in teraflops with a benchmarking program, compare quality of digital cameras or monitors, and much, much more. Have fun, and don't fear IT acronyms and measurements. They are only here to help us.